I think it's very important to meet all of European hospital managers, and our association EAHM is a greatest association for hospital managers in Europe. We decided to make this conference earlier, but COVID situation has postponed twice our Congress. We want to speak about post-COVID situation. We are speaking about hospitals go green. We are speaking about IT issues, and what is very important, that first time we want to organize a meeting for rectors of medical universities in Europe. I think our program is very impressive, and you are kindly welcome to our Congress in Budapest from 2nd to March till 4th of March in Hungary. Welcome you.